Can you touch it?
Yes, it hurts when you pull on it.
Let me see it.
You're gonna touch it.
Slap it.
No, I'm not.
You can hit it. Are you
Touch
crying?
it. Don't touch it. No.
Next time, wear shoes, you hippie.
Snap out of it, huh? Reaction of a dead llama.
No, that's Bella.
Reaction of a dead Emma. I was like, she's like, and
My foot hurts. Like it's swelling.
You can't follow that. No, gosh.
Oh,
That's funny.
There was no wasp. But there was.
Really?
she's like hallucinating.
That's why I always gotta wear shoes. Or heels.
See these?
No.
That's why you wear them.
Oh my lord.
Look, I'm on foot.
I die.
Obviously.
I thought
I sound like a dying camel.
No wasp, but there really was.
Obviously.
Wasp.
Look where you stepped.
I swear I didn't see anything.
Are you wearing contacts?
No.
That's why.
It was a ghost wasp.
My foot is stinging.
You mean it's throbbing?
I
just got sting. It's stung.
It hurts.
Don't touch it!
This is going on like YouTube. Again. You people are retarded. I just got sting. It stung.
Look at it!
Ah, it's right there. It's all white, like you.
At least I'm not black like you.
Shut up! What's that black,
So
racist?
white like my ass, nigga.
He said bad
Now
word.
it's funny.
He said the N word. Ooh.
There was a wasp.
You can bleep that out, right?
It stung me.
She'll have to do that.
It like put its butt on me and stuck a needle in it.
That's like a dying camel. Thanks a lot.
No, really. It like put its butt there and stung me. There.
Maybe you put his. Maybe. What was your foot doing at the butt anyway? What was your foot doing at the butt?
I was trying to turn a fan on.
That's why you wear shoes! Even if you wear heels, wear
We're
shoes!
inside.
Your point!
I know.
Okay, the first day I came here, like last Sunday, this girl broke glass on her room floor. I stepped on it. Nothing hurt.
Ouch. Ouch.
Ever since that day, I've been wearing shoes.
No, and then I was walking around the carpet, and there was glass on the carpet too. So since then, I wore heels in her house. I'm just cleaning that crap.
My foot hurts.
We're trying to end this.
Oh, it's alright. It's
I wanna
still
watch
going.
it.
4 minutes and 5 minutes.
I want to watch it.
Tell them I said goodbye.
She said that fine. And he's playing a game. He's not wearing a shirt.
Hello.
No!
Hey, Christelle, look at his phone.
You're retarded. I got on tape too. Ew, butt. Hey, my finger. Oh no. Your feet are so dirty.
That's because I don't wear shoes.
That's what you get.
Okay. Now I need to check Facebook.
Bye, guys. No sexualness. You're freaking retarded.